Next, we will go and talk about quality control. Quality control is where you get feedback from our nurse that's on staff about your notes and the quality of your notes, as well as giving you suggestions on how to make it flow a little bit better, or kind of make it clear the message that you're trying to convey, or whatever message that you had got from the patient. Here you'll see all of the stuff. Again, this will be blurred out, but this is where you kind of find where your mistakes are. You definitely should be checking quality control if you get them, because our nurse will be checking the notes, making sure everything looks intact and solid, because our communication is our word, so we the documentation is very, very important, keep not only the patient safe, but to keep us safe as healthcare workers. So right here you would go to needs review, because if it's flagged, then it needs review or whatever the case may be, and then you'd go ahead and press search and say anything, blah blah blah, and it'll show up and say needs review. Usually there's very minor things, little messages or whatever the case is, and then the review will be right here at the bottom. It'll pretty much just tell you whatever you need to whatever you need to do to correct this, and then you'll move forward and get it corrected, and then you'll change the status of said notes, and then go through here. I'm not going to do it, but you click here, and then you're going to unclick a box or click a box for valid, depending on whatever your situation is, and you kind of make sure get that rectified, and if it needs to be fixed in the future, it'll get reflagged and it'll be in there again, and you'll have another note. But just pay attention to the notes, try to make them clean cut, avoid quality controls just by looking over your notes, making sure they look intact. Don't move too fast, or you'll make mistakes.